right, let's look at fundamental counting principle, and we're going to do that through an example. Suppose I want to buy a new car from a dealership. I go to the dealership and they give me 3 different models for that specific car, and the 3 different models, they call it A, Model B, Model C, and each of these they come in 5 different colors: black, red, green, white, and silver. We want to know how many possible choices we have. And for some of you guys, probably you see this question right away and you can come up with an answer, but I still wanted to explain it for the rest of us. All right, let's start with the options. So we have A and B and C. These are the 3 top models. Okay, so we know that the first choice that we have, there are 3 possible choices that we have. So we know that there are 3 choices right here. Now each of these, we have 5 different choices, okay, because of the color. So black, red, green, white, silver. Do the same thing for B and C. So for B and C, same idea again. So we got the top piece right here. We had 3 different options. The bottom piece that we have in here, we have total of 15. At the end, we have total of 15. And that means that in together we have 15 different options. So if you want to look at one of the options, will be Model A, but Model A, the color will be black. But you could also get Model A will be red. That's 2 options right already. So you could keep doing that, and notice that at the end there will be 3 times 5, which is equal to 15 possible choices altogether. This is actually called the fundamental counting principle, so which says that if you have number of choices for the first stage of your choice is A, and number of choices for the second stage is B, and for the third stage is C, and so forth and so on, the total possible choices that you will have will be given by A times B times C times ... however many possible choices you have on any given stage. And that is called fundamental counting principle. Okay, let's look at another fundamental counting principle example. You got a multiple choice test, has 10 questions, and each question has 4 choices for the answer. We want to know how many different sets of answers we can have for this test. Now, you just have to go through it one question at a time. See, the first question, there are 4 choices. That's question number 1. So Q1, 4 choices. How about Q2? Question number 2. How many choices do we have there? 4. And notice that we can keep doing this. So question 3, 4 choices as well. So as you can see, we can just keep doing that, and we can do that for each of these questions, and we can do it 10 times because there are 10 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So the possible answers that we have, possible different sets of answers for this test would be 4 to the power to the exponent of 10, or 4 to the 10. So that's the answer. That's the fundamental counting principle.